Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. We will learn how to get gradient roles in Discord. Gradient roles are roles with colors that smoothly transition between multiple shades, giving a cool visual effect in the member list. However, its settings important to know that this feature requires Discord Nitro, or for your server members. Start by going to your server name, then go to Server Settings. Next, go to Roles, scroll down, and you can either create a new role or pick an existing one. I'll just pick an existing one for the sake of the video. As you can see, this option is not available in normal Discord. You have to have Nitro to get a gradient role. So if you have Discord Nitro, just click on Gradient and you'll be asked to choose colors. Choose the colors to your liking and you will get the gradient. If you don't have Nitro, you can still use solid colors for roles. Just choose any color you like, click on Save Changes, and it will be saved. So we learned that gradient roles require Discord Nitro, and without Nitro, you can still assign solid colors to server roles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.